Hello all. In this video, we are going to learn an assembly level program to multiply two 8-bit numbers which have been stored at the memory location of 30H and 31H. So later on the same data, that is the multiplication data, will be stored to the 16-bit result. If we are multiplying two 8-bit numbers, definitely we are going to get the 16-bit values as the result. Therefore, that has to be stored in the 32H and 34H, which will be the immediate next values of 30H and 31H. We can even change these values, or the memory, we can even change the memory location to any other internal RAM memory also. Just like the previous instructions of addition and subtraction, it is a simple multiplication program. I have already explained for the subtraction. Just like the subtraction unit or the instruction, here we are going to multiply the value of A and the value of B. Initially we are taking the address at 000H. We are going to move the immediate address 30H to the register R0. The value of R0, whatever we have given stored at the 30H, will be moved to the accumulator. Then we are going to increment the R0. Then the 30H will become 31H. As that result, the value what we are storing at the R0, that will be a 31H, will be moved on to the register B. Later, need to multiply the values of B stored at B and the value of A. By default, definitely the value will be stored across the register A by the standard operation. The comment you can observe, AB represents the product of A and B. Later on, we are going to increment the register R0 by 1. As just like the decrement, if the decrement value decreases the value by 1, the increment value increases the register value by 1. Then we are going to move the value. Here the R0 will points to the next memory address. The next memory address will be 32H, as we have mentioned here. Later on, the value which is stored, that is the answer, multiplication answer, by default what we have stored in A will be moved on to the data pointer. The data pointer is pointing across at R0, that is nothing but the 32H, that will be moved across the 32H. We are going to increment it again, that will be become 33H. Once again, the value of the multiplication, the other 16-bit values, the remaining 8-bit values will be moved across the 33H as we have mentioned. Then the end of the program, we can just go through that. Choose the program, build target. We are getting 0 errors. Then go to debug, start debugging. Let us just choose the memory address as 30H as we have mentioned here. Let me just give this value as 20 for multiplication and this value as 45. Let us see what we are going to get. So you can just go through the calculator if you are having in hexadecimal. 20 into 45 will be equal to 08A0. We shall just check that. Go to the step value. The value immediate address have been moved. Here I have stored 20. The same value has been moved to A here. Therefore, we are incrementing the R0, that becomes 31. Once again, the 3045 value has been stored to the B. Now we need to multiply A and B. The data will be stored across A by default. As I told, in calculator, if you check, multiply the two hexadecimal value, we are going to get 08 and A0. Now getting that, we are going to move the same value. And this is end of the program. Thank you.